Instantly increase your dual cab ute storage capacity without breaking the bank with the new Adventure Kings Ute Roofbar Kits. Most modern four-wheel drives use rain channels instead of rain gutters these days, which makes mounting a roof rack tricky. We've changed that by developing a model-specific DIY fitment roof bar kit for many modern dual cab utes for an incredibly affordable price. Made from high-quality alloy for strength and low overall weight, the sleek, aerodynamic Adventure Kings Ute Roof Bar Kits look great and work perfectly. Use them to carry bulky gear for work like ladders, timber, steel or conduit, hang an Adventure Kings awning off the side, carry a gazebo, a swag or other bulky gear for camping, or use them as a base to mount an Adventure Kings steel ute roof rack. Comprehensive fitting instructions, a full mounting kit and basic hand tools are supplied with every set, with the only extra tools required being a rivet gun and a drill. Adventure Kings Ute Roof Bar Kits are now in stock for a huge range of modern dual cabs and ready for quick dispatch. They look great and work even better.